A. Write with me. A. A is for ant. B. Write with me. B. B is for ball. C. Write with me. C. C is for car. D. Write with me. D. D is for duck. E. Write with me. E. E is for eggs. F. Write with me. F. F is for fish. G. Write with me. G. G is for goat. H. Write with me. H. H is for house. I. Write with me. I. I is for iron. J. Write with me. J. J is for juice. K. Write with me. K. K is for key. L. Write with me. L. L is for lion. M. Write with me. M. M is for moon. N. Write with me. N. N is for nail. O. Write with me. O. O is for orange. F. Write with me. F. F is for pencil. Q. Write with me. Q. Q is for queen. R. Write with me. R. R is for ring. S. Write with me. S. S is for sun. T. Write with me. T. T is for turtle. U. Write with me. U. U is for uncle. V. Write with me. V. V is for vase. W. Write with me. W. W is for what? X. Write with me. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Write with me. Y. Y is for yacht. G. Write with me. G. G is for zebra. Again say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Say with me colors name. Pink, black, green, brown, blue, light green. Subscribe for more video.